Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to install crypto apps in Ledger Live. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Ledger Live application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Ledger Live. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the bottom of the screen, as you can see, we have your wallet, we have the earn, we have the discover, your ledger, and here in the middle, you can go and, as you can see, send, receive, buy, etc, etc. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and install crypto apps in Ledger Live. So once you have downloaded and installed Ledger Live, you need to connect your Ledger device. So you can go and click it here and of course buy a device. Then open Ledger Live, navigate to the Manager section. In Ledger Live, go to the Manager section. You might need to allow Ledger Live to access your device by confirming it. So you need to go to the Manager part of your, of course, the application. Then, after that, you need to go and install cryptocurrency apps. In the Manager section, you'll have a list of available apps for different cryptocurrencies. Find the app for the cryptocurrency you want to go and manage. Then add accounts and manage your assets. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, bye guys.